Welcome back, folks. In this video, we will go over how to create an object. For example, right now, when we collide with the gold coin, we will see a text. Wow, a coin. But what if we want to display this text for every single coin in our game? We can either copy this and paste for every single coin, or we can just create an object when we collide with the gold coin. Let's delete this. Let's move these coins over here so we can see better. Then we will go to our collecting tab because that's where our coin setup is. We will delete the show text coin here. Instead, we will also delete this. We no longer need it. We can just actually disable this. Instead, when we collide with the coin, we want to create an object. Create an object for the coin, so text coin. We wanted to create above the gold coin. So let's say gold coin center X, and then do the same thing for center Y. And we probably, well, let's leave it as is. Click OK. Remember to drag it up top. So when we collide with the coin, we will play the sound, and then we will create a text coin above that coin. So let's go back to our level. Let's preview. So if we were to collide with the coin, as you can see here, text pops up. Here we go. That's pretty low, right? So we need to move it up. So let's do it. Let's go back to collecting. We will say on x-axis, we wanted to move a little bit to the left. And on y, we wanted to go up. So let's do plus 100. Actually, I think it's minus 100 because we want to go up. Go back to our level, preview. Let's collide with the coin. Here we go. Here we go. Great. And if we want to text to follow us as we move around, we can just change that with the position command like we did here. And we can even use the same variable. You just have to be very careful about this. Okay, and just like that, we went over how to create objects based on the conditions. See you in the next video.